Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel and today we are reviewing Rads Sanjauli. Even my little puppy knows. So without further ado, let's get into the video. तो आज हमने Rads Sanjauli से ऑर्डर किया है
burger.
या राइट। तो आज Rads की स्पेशलिटी है उनके बर्गर्स। सो हमने आज 3 बर्गर्स ऑर्डर किए हैं, 1 वेजिटेरियन एंड 2 नॉन वेजिटेरियन। मैं अभी आपको दिखाती हूँ हाउ दे पैक इट एंड ऑल्सो माई फेवरेट कोल्ड कॉफ़ी। आई वॉज वेरी डाउटफुल कि कोई कोल्ड कॉफ़ी की होम डिलीवरी कैसे करेगा, स्पेशली शिमला जैसी जगह में विच हैपन्स टू बी अ हिल स्टेशन। देयर इज ट्रैफिक, देयर आर सो मेनी थिंग्स लाइक ऊंचा नीचा रास्ता। सो विल जस्ट सी। Here's my first packet and इसमें cold coffee है। Oh, actually they packed it really well. You can see. I cannot see a single spill, which is a plus. उन्होंने लाने में तो स्पिल नहीं किया, बस मैं उसको खोलने में जरूर स्पिल कर दूंगी। पीछे से बैकग्राउंड इफेक्ट भी आ रहा है, ऑडियंस अपनी राय भी दे रही है।
A few moments later.
And look at the little cup that says enjoy. Smells really good. तो अच्छा, I will leave this अभी के लिए साइड में and I will taste it a little later. Coming to this second pack, there are tissues, some ketchup, and this is our vegetarian burger. So guys, इसका नाम था baby veg, if I'm not wrong, and it has been wrapped up really nicely. And here's our baby veg. Let's just open it. There's a big patty, some sauce, some vegetables, और पैटी का साइज काफी अच्छा है। Beginning with the veg burger, I'll just take a quick bite and let you know how it is. Bon appetit! It's nice, tasty है। burger patty जो यूज की है मैंने, that has lots of things, corns, peas, still trying to figure out क्या क्या है। जैसे आपको मकेन की बर्गर पैटी मिलती है ना, it's like that. I'll give it a thumbs up. If you're into vegetarian burgers, you can definitely try this. It's good. Let's try the coffee. Bye. Cheers. कॉफी में हल्का सा वनीला फ्लेवर है. It's more on the sweeter side. मतलब मुझे आदत है फीका पीने की, but then कभी कभी मीठा भी अच्छा लगता है, right? So it's really sweet and it's perfect, just perfect. ना ज़्यादा स्ट्रॉन्ग है, कॉफ़ी का फ्लेवर आ रहा है बट ना ज़्यादा स्ट्रॉन्ग है ना ज़्यादा लाइट है. इट्स समवेयर इन द मिडल and I think I really enjoy this. Thumbs up for the coffee. Acha guys, they also serve some shakes. So if you are into shakes, you can order that. They also serve hot beverages, hot coffee, hot tea. So you can also order that. Just one more sip. We have more stuff to review right now. So this is our Rads non-vegetarian burger, but we'll have to see which one it is. Okay, I think this one is their spicy cream. Here it is. All fried chicken, some lettuce. Looks really tempting. थोड़े से डिलीवरी के लिए ये पिचक जरूर गए हैं, but doesn't matter. It's too big to bite. So tasty. Too good. Juju also wants some, तो उसको भी हम देते हैं अभी. Okay baby, अभी देते हैं, रुक जा. सब्र. तेरे लिए यस के बाद तू ही खाएगा. So मेरे पप्पी को भी खाना है. तो guys, ये जो फ्राइड चिकन है, it's really crispy and it's really, you know, juicy and moist on the inside. It's not dry. Just perfect. Like thumbs up. Double thumbs up. Like 1 minute. I don't want to drop it. Double thumbs up. So then I also got another specialty of theirs, which is Rads Spicy King. Oh god. Oh my god. This is a monster of a burger. Alright. So, इसमें अगर आप देखो, there's bun, then there's fried chicken, then there's bun, then there are sauces, then there's fried chicken again, and there's the upper bun, and there's mayonnaise as well. Lettuce, I can see lettuce. और जो फ्राइड चिकन में मैंने मसाला डाला है ना, too good. I am only concerned कि इसमें बाइट कैसे करेंगे. इतना बड़ा मुंह तो है नहीं मेरा. Anyways, let's bite into it. I only managed to grab the buns, nothing else. Let's just take some fried chicken like that and give it a taste. अगर आपको ज़्यादा भूख लगी हो, definitely go in for the spicy king. Overall, the making of the burger and the ingredients are just the same. The only difference is of the size. The king is a lot taller than the queen. I would highly recommend this one. So good. There's some spice. There's definitely some spice. But thumbs up.
Did you, honey? You want to eat? See, looking at this.
So guys, burgers तो इनकी speciality है, but I also thought of ordering something which was not their speciality. So I ended up ordering 6-piece fried chicken. Let's just check it out. Alright. This is supposed to be some sort of chutney, and from the looks of it, मुझे लगता है शेजवान चटनी है. Yep. Definitely garlic and chili chutney kind of thing. Let's give it a taste. It's nice and spicy. Alright, so all of the 6 pieces are leg pieces, and they are literally fried in, coated in some crispy stuff and then fried. Let's try one. Let's get some sauce. It's really good. It's cooked, well cooked. It's not dry. These are definitely cornflakes. If you're a non-vegetarian, I highly recommend this. This is 6-piece fried chicken. याद रखना. Is it finger looking good? Yes, it is. So guys, if you happen to visit Sanjauli, do try out Rads. It's really great. And अगर आप घर पे बैठे हो और आपको भूख लगी है, आप होम डिलीवरी भी ले सकते हो. And no, this is not a paid review or something like that. I just wanted to do it as a foodie. Now I have reviewed Rads restaurants in Sanjauli for you guys, so now you can go and eat बेझिझक. अगर वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो लाइक, शेयर, कमेंट एंड सब्सक्राइब, क्योंकि मुझे इतना सारा खाना भी फिनिश करना है. बाय बाय. I'll see you next time.